Attention all crew, attention all crew. This is a fire drill. I repeat, this is a fire drill. A simulated fire has been reported in the Galay area. All crew proceed to your designated muster stations.
Drill Department, report.
Drill Department all present, sir.
Engine Department, report.
Engine Department all present, sir.
Galley Department, report.
Galley Department all present, sir.
Very well. Our department, sir, is accounted for.
This is simulated fire drill in the Galay area. The purpose of this drill is to familiarize the crew with the emergency procedure, proper use of PPE, and effective communication during the emergencies. Tech department will act as the fire team. Engine department will provide support and standby for the pump operation. Galley crew will evacuate the area. Bridge will handle communications. Fire team proceed to the fire locker and don your complete fireman's outfit. Remember, this is a simulation. Do not use actual water. Maintain proper communication at all times.
Fire team to bridge. PPE is all ready to proceed. Over.
Acknowledge. Proceed to the galley. Over.
Fire team entering the galley. Simulated water on the fire. Over. Fire team in the galley is under control. All teams accounted. Over.
Acknowledge drill. Progressing smoothly. Over.
The fire drill is now completed. All crew are dismissed. Return to normal duties.
Sige na. 1, 2, 3, go. Takbo.
Isang engine, isang brake, isang ano. Pagpapagat mo.
Hindi. 1, 2, 3. Wait lang. 1, 2, 3, go.
Pangalan naman ang mga to.
Gi, kakat ka na lang.
Yung ano kuya, yung...
Wait lang.
Okay, tapos binigyan.
One. Dito ka sa gitna.
One, two, three, go. The purpose of this drill,
1, 2, 3, go.
Tech department went up as engine department. Balik yan.
1, 2, 3, go.
Remember, this is a simulation. Do not use actual water. Wait lang.
1, 2, 3, go. Ba't lakan? Hindi, go.
Fire drill to breathe, the breathe. Back.